Making a cardboard pattern for a 3/4 inch top for my doghouse here. This is just the beginning of it. I'm going to put my GPS and some other stuff on it. I'm going to be taking out the PA system that's up here. I'm taking out that mirror and I'm going to install my backup camera monitor where that is. And I'm probably going to put my phone down here too on its bracket. So to keep it out of the way, because in Texas, if they catch you on your phone, that's a major fine. Alright, I'll check back when I get more done. Okay, it's hard to see, but the inside line is the trace of the doghouse, and the outside line is where I'm going to cut. I'm going to have a little bit of an overlap in case I need to use a spring clamp or something to hold something on there. So, getting ready to cut the pattern, and as you can see from the doghouse pattern that I have smoothed out the outside cut line. And when I cut this, I'll smooth it some more. And when I actually cut it into the wood, I'll smooth it more. You always want to make each step better than last. I'm working on my doghouse cover. It had 4 cup holders in it, which I didn't need, and I needed a place to attach my GPS and phone and a flat surface in case I needed it to write something down quickly. So what I've done is I've made a pattern, which is a little tough to see, it's choking away. I made a pattern on the back side. Decided I only wanted 1 cup holder. So that's this one right here. So now I'm finishing it off, and then I'll pick my attachment points here and attach it to the top of the doghouse. Now let me show you what that looks like. It's right now, like I say, it's got 4 cup holders and whatever that center one is, so I don't need all that. I just need a good flat space that I can write on if I need to, GPS and all that. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm getting ready to go get tires, hopefully tomorrow or Wednesday, and if that's the case, I may be on the road Friday heading towards North Carolina. Not sure yet, I'm hoping. Alright, check back.